Three challenges. First challenge. The immediate challenge was to shape a nation which was united but accommodated diversity. People with different languages, cultures, and religion, such diversity was not believed to remain together, and partition proved the worst fear. Second challenge. The second was to establish democracy. The Constitution extended the right to vote and granted fundamental rights to every citizen. Based on the parliamentary form, India adopted representative democracy. The challenge was to develop democratic practices while keeping in with the Constitution. Third challenge. The third challenge was to ensure the development and well-being of the entire society. The real challenge was to evolve effective policies for economic development and eradication of poverty. The Constitution clearly laid down the principle of equality and special protection to socially disadvantaged groups and cultural and religious communities. Politics in India. It should be clearly understood that how India responded to these challenges and to what extent it succeeded, and the story of politics in India since independence. Focus on first challenge. This chapter focuses on the first challenge that occupied center stage in the years immediately after independence. How India shapes itself to a nation united by shared history and common destiny. Unity had to reflect the aspirations of different regions and deal with disparities. The challenges for establishing a democracy and achieving economic development are discussed in the next two chapters.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.